Hello friends, welcome to Otika Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing and usage of Otika made portable bidet. This is purely 100% made in India product. It is of good quality. We are going to open it and we'll show you. It comes with these two things and the rest of the nozzles are coming inside of bottle, so make sure you remove all the nozzles. So this is the only one product available in India which is having 4 different types of nozzles. It is very easy to replace in between. There are multiple ways. This is the most routine use of the portable bidet, which comes off the flow in this way. After for baby and for other purpose you can use this kind of thing. We will show you each tips with its use with the water. This product comes with a silicone ring, so there will be no leakage inside of the bottle while using it. So we will start using the bottle. You can also verify the product is genuine. You can see the Otika mark on the bottle on the back side. So you can see, and this is a soft retractable bottle. We are pouring the water inside. We just have to make sure you are tightening it in a firm way, so there will be no gap in between. And for the safety, we have given the silicone ring for the leakage purpose. So now we are putting the first nozzle. You can see, you can use it and the flow can go up to any length. So this is the first angular use for water repellent. We are just using it. You can see the flow of the water is like that. You can change the nozzle and we are using it. So this is for the continuous hard nozzle. We will again refill the water, and you can use the portable bidet in multiple places with multiple usage. So in India only the Otika is having the 4 different types of nozzles. This is the main advantage of this product. First, this is 100% made in India. You can see this is a different way and different types and how you are going to use. So we have used the 3 different types and this is the 4th one. So this 4 different nozzle is having 4 different types of use. So you can see how sturdy, and this is a jointless product. All the other products are having joint over here. So from this joint the water leakage is coming. You can see while using this product there will be no water leakage from this joint. So this is how our Otika made portable bidet comes. Thank you for watching.